Eat. Okay. Okay. Yeah. It's like I sit for treats. I think I'm gonna have to find a better way to do this. Yeah, Bruno. Okay. Yeah. Here. Here, sweetie pie. This is actually, you're too short. Yeah. You're a short little guy. He was found in an apartment and his family just left. We think he's potty trained because he tries to hold it oh so much. Yeah. Yeah, you're a good boy. He has sad cropped ears. Yeah. Like scratches. No, what am I doing? Come on, let's go. Come on. He's sort of a Velcro guy, but who can blame him? After being left in an apartment, he's like, I don't want that ever to happen again. Yeah. Yeah. I know. I know. Yeah. Or sit. Sit. I know. Sit. Good boy. Sit. I know. Good boy. Good boy. I'm gonna get scratches for you. Can we do paw? Paw? Can I do paw? Can I do paw? Yeah, good that one. Huh? Can I do the other paw? It's okay. Yep. Do either one. Okay, we won't do this here. We are full of mud. Yeah, look. He has beautiful brown eyes. He is a darling. Come meet sweet Bruno.